What's up everybody, it's your girl Somethingflava. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to take this silk scarf and make a Gucci inspired reversible backless shirt perfect for the summer. So if you'd like to learn, just keep on watching.
Somethingflava.
I thought the border around this scarf would make for perfect straps, so that's exactly what I started this project off doing. I took the bottom edge and I folded it over and then used absolutely anything that I could find in the house to hold it down, and then just cut a straight line all the way across the bottom. And this is the strap that's going to be used to tie around our back. And then we're going to do the exact same thing at the top edge of the scarf and use that as our necktie. Now we have both of our straps, so take the straps and fold them in half right sides facing and sew a zigzag stitch all the way down. Okay, so full disclaimer, this silky fabric is really hard to work with, it's really hard to cut, and it's kind of hard to sew. But to fix that problem, I just did this paper towel method. So all you need to do is just put a paper towel underneath the fabric, and then your machine isn't going to eat it up, and then at the end just rip it off. So once both the ties are sewed, we just got to flip them right sides out. Just take a safety pin, pin it to the edge, and then slide it through the little tube till you get to the other side. Pull it out. Flatten everything up nice, and then finish off the straps with doing a straight stitch all the way down, and boom, we got some nice professional looking straps. So the last thing we're going to do just to finish this up is just fold them in half and give them a snip so that we have 4 pieces, and we are completely finished with our straps and we can start working on the top. So originally I wanted my top to be a diamond shape, but it didn't end up working out. You'll see me fixing it later. If you do want your top to be a diamond shape, just when you're cutting this top part, make sure you do it extra wide so that it covers your girls. But once that front piece is cut out with the stripe, just use that as the pattern to cut out the back piece. And just cut that out on the pattern that just has the G's, so that the front of our top could have the green and red stripe, and then the back can have just the G's. Now it's time to assemble everything. Take the back piece with the right sides facing up and lay the straps in there just like this. And take your front piece and lay it right sides facing the right side of the back piece with the straps sandwiched in the middle. And then sew all the way around. So it was at this point that I found out that my shirt didn't fit. So to fix it, I started seam ripping all of my straps out. Okay, why was that so satisfying? Does anybody else really like this part? But to make the shirt fit, I just folded over that top and I cut it off really badly. This was really hard to work with, but I still probably could have cut a little better. But once that was cut off, just reattach the straps the same way we did before by sandwiching it in between the 2 right sides of the fabric. But this time, put the 2 neckties on the 2 edges of the hole. And then just sew all the way around the edges. Once it's all sewn, don't finish it off. Leave a little bit of room so that we could flip it right sides out. While you're turning it, just make sure that you're also poking the edges of the fabric with your fingers so that everything is laying flat. And then take the hole that we left and fold the edges in and do a little top stitch to sew everything completely shut. And boom, here is the finished product. I hope you guys really enjoyed this Gucci inspired reversible top that I made from a silk scarf. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave them below in the comments. If you're not subscribed already, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. hit that bell for notifications so that you get notified every time that I post. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.